How to insert picture in Microsoft Excel. To insert a picture, image, in Microsoft Excel, follow these steps. Open your Excel workbook. Launch Microsoft Excel and open the workbook where you want to insert the picture. Select a cell. Click on the cell where you want to insert the picture. This cell will act as the anchor point for the picture. Insert picture. Go to the Insert tab in the Excel ribbon. In the Illustrations group, click on the Pictures button. This will open a File dialog box. Choose Picture File. Navigate to the location where your picture file is stored. Select the picture file you want to insert and click the Insert button. Resize and position the picture. After inserting the picture, it will be placed in the selected cell. You can resize and position the picture by clicking and dragging its edges or corners. Format picture, optional. With the picture selected, you can use the Picture Tools Format tab in the ribbon to apply various formatting options, such as adjusting brightness, contrast, and more. Move picture to different location. If you want to move the picture to a different location on the sheet, simply click and drag it to the desired cell. Adjust picture properties. Right-click on the picture and choose Format Picture from the context menu to access more advanced formatting options, such as borders, shadows, and transparency. Resizing columns and rows. If the picture is too large and distorts the layout of your spreadsheet, you can adjust the column and row sizes to accommodate the picture. Remember that while Excel allows you to insert pictures directly into cells, these pictures might affect the layout of your worksheet. Depending on your specific needs, you might consider using objects or images in a drawing canvas or as floating objects for more precise control over their placement and layout.